this tutorial. I'm sure all of us have had the issue where the font we want to use is just a little too thin and there's no bold option. As you can see, this ink free doesn't have a bold. Or you've already converted it to a path and you can't adjust it if it did have a bold. So I'm going to show you a quick way to fatten up these letters. Now if you have the font and it doesn't have a bold and you want to keep these letters with a little bit of gap between them, we just need to up the spacing just a little bit, and then we'll convert it to a path. And then from this point, both of these are exactly the same. So we'll just get rid of him. Yeah, after you converted it to your path, we'll come over here to Offset Panel, select Offset, and then we'll just move this down to your desired thickness. We'll go down to about 0.05. Oh. There. Just move that out of the way. Make compound path and select the color. There we go. We got ourselves a slightly fatter version of that original font. Now you can always go a little bit smaller and say just fatten it up just a little bit, like 0.02. Apply. You can see same results, just a little bit thicker. And this will cut a lot easier. I've had to do this a few times where the words were just a little too thin and my machine just won't cut it. I have a Cameo 2, so I don't know if it's a Cameo 2 problem or it's just too small for our machines. Either or, I came in, fattened the letters up a little bit, and then I was able to weed it out without having to use a lot of choice words. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day.